Hi, my name is Noelle Joyner, and it is September 7th. I am going to be doing the Sunprint paper lab for this skin cancer. And for the sake of time, I have gone ahead and put my Sunprint paper in bags. This will be my test with the SPF 100 in a bag. And then I have another paper with the SPF 50 and another paper with the SPF 30. And then I have my control, which has no sunscreen or anything on it. And my materials are all here. I have all these different types of sunscreens. I'm gonna go ahead and time jump. I'm gonna put these out for 5 minutes and then show the results of the papers after being in the sun. I've gone ahead and laid out my SPF 30, SPF 50, and SPF 100 out in the sun, and then my control is here, and then I will show the results after 5 minutes. After having them in the sun for 5 minutes, I went ahead and filled each bag with water, and I'm gonna let 30 seconds pass and come back. Here's the results of the Sunprint paper after drying. Here's the control, and it's completely dark with no light spots. Then the 30 SPF, which has a little bit of a lighter area in the corner and still some darkness on the side. The 50 SPF, which is lighter than the 30 and the control. It's a little streaky with lightness. And then the 100 SPF that looks a little similar to the control with not much light streaks on it. What is skin cancer? Skin cancer is the out-of-control growth of abnormal cells in the epidermis, which is the outermost layer of the skin, and it's usually caused by unrepaired DNA damage. The symptoms of skin cancer and the risk factors are that if you have overexposure to sunlight, the UV rays from sun damage in the DNA in your skin can cause abnormal cells to form and divide rapidly and disorganize, so that will cause a mass of cancer cells. The measures that can be taken to avoid skin cancer include wearing protective clothing like long sleeve or long pants, wearing sunscreen on your skin, wearing sunglasses for your eyes, not being in the sun too long, and getting yearly checkups at the doctor just to ensure everything is okay. And the role of UV light increasing the chance of skin cancer is that too much UV radiation from the sun or tanning beds can damage the DNA in our cells, and UV light can also burn the skin and reduce elasticity, and it can lead to premature aging. If enough DNA damage builds up over time, it could cause cells to start growing out of control, which leads to skin cancer. So to avoid the effects of UV, you should wear big wide brim hats to shade your face, your head, any sensitive skin on the face. Or you could wear wraparound sunglasses that block UVA and UVB rays in your eyes. You could wear sunscreen often because the SPF, which is the sun protection factor, as long as it's 15 or higher, it will do something for protection of the skin. And then also avoid indoor tanning, which is being in tanning beds, because those can cause skin cancer after doing it quite a few times within a lifetime, over and over. And then the results of my sun printing experiment showed that the SPF did protect the paper better than the controls. The control was very dark blue, and then as the SPF went higher, there was more white streaks on the paper. With the exception for the sunscreen I tested, it had 100 SPF, but it was darker than SPF 30 and SPF 50, which I thought was interesting. So that was my experiment.